What if your team woke up every morning to a clear AI-generated plan delivered automatically to Slack and email without anyone lifting a finger? Hey, I'm Rahul Joshi. Every morning, teams waste time figuring out priorities, blockers, and what actually needs attention today. In this video, I'll show you how to build an AI-powered morning brief using ClickUp, GPT-4o, Slack, and Gmail, fully automated and delivered every weekday. Step 1. Trigger morning schedule. This node starts the workflow automatically every weekday morning, runs on a cron schedule, eliminates manual execution, ensures consistent daily reporting, acts as the entry point for the entire automation. Get all lists. This node fetches all sprint lists from ClickUp, connects to ClickUp using OAuth, retrieves lists from the configured team, space, and folder, pulls sprint metadata like IDs, names, and dates, provides raw sprint data for validation. Checklists exist. This node validates that sprint lists were successfully retrieved, confirms the ClickUp response is not empty, prevents downstream failures, stops execution if no sprint data exists, acts as a data safety gate. This node identifies the active or most recent sprint, compares current date with sprint start and due dates, selects the active sprint if available, falls back to the most recent sprint, otherwise outputs sprint ID, name, and active status. Get task from latest sprint. This node fetches tasks from the selected sprint, pulls tasks using sprint ID dynamically, filters tasks due today, includes subtasks and checklist items, returns full task objects with status and assignees. Format, compose brief data. This node cleans and structures raw ClickUp task data, extracts subtasks from checklists, categorizes tasks by priority and status, identifies blockers and in-progress work, builds a structured JSON summary for AI input. So, OpenAI, generate brief. This node uses AI to generate a structured morning brief, sends formatted task data to GPT-4o, focuses on today's priorities and blockers, generates executive-ready summaries, returns strictly structured JSON output. Structured output parser. This node ensures AI output matches the expected schema, enforces valid JSON structure, prevents malformed AI responses, guarantees consistent downstream usage, acts as a strict output validator. Azure OpenAI chat model. This node defines the language model used for brief generation, uses Azure OpenAI GPT-4o, provides reasoning and summarization capability, powers executive-level narrative generation, integrated directly with the AI agent. Simple memory. This node maintains short-term context during AI processing, stores brief generation context, improves consistency across AI responses, avoids repetition and hallucinations, scoped only to this workflow run. Slack, post brief. This node posts the morning brief summary to Slack, sends a concise executive summary, includes today's priorities and team focus, adds a direct ClickUp board link, uses Markdown for clean formatting. Code in JavaScript. This node converts AI output into a professional HTML email, builds Outlook-compatible HTML formats, tables, sections, and highlights, generates plain text fallback version, prepares subject and email body. Send a message. This node sends the morning brief via Gmail, delivers formatted HTML email, supports CC recipients, uses dynamic subject lines, completes the delivery pipeline. Error trigger, catch failures. This node listens for workflow execution failures, activates on any node error, captures error context and metadata, routes failure details to Slack, improves monitoring and reliability. Slack. Error alert. This node sends error alerts to Slack, posts error message, node name, and timestamp, notifies the team instantly, enables faster debugging, ensures failures never go unnoticed. And that's how you can generate consistent executive-level morning briefs automatically every single weekday. Thanks for watching. This is Rahul Joshi, and I'll see you in the next automation.